Here we've discovered a water leak from overhead. Starboard side of the Caterpillar engine. We can see water coming from the deck up above, which we assume is the P-trap or the water drain pipes underneath the galley sink. So you can see it dripping onto those two water filters for the water maker. See it dripping down into the bilge over here with the little splashes. And worst of all is the electricity. If we've got it dripping onto any electrical components. We've got the windlass control box right there, battery charger right there, batteries right here, and then you can see water coming off of this. And now you can actually learn the purpose of a drip loop. See, the water is down there hanging on the bottom of the loop at the 6 o'clock position. So anytime you run wires, you want to put a drip loop to keep the water from running through the entire length of the wire, but fall off of the drip loop. So we're going to have to go back up into the cabin, figure out where this water leak is coming from. Hear it? If you have questions about boat maintenance, ask Captain Chris.